What's up, Tech Crypto? What's up, MF? You good? Good, good, good. Very nice. How you doing, MF? My brother. My brother from another mother. Yeah, I had some trades today. Crypto. I had one trade. I didn't have trades. I had one trade. This one right here. This trade right here. Nice little 18 pip move to the upside. It ended up driving for about 54 pips, 53 pips. What's up, Sammy? When you explain this trade, it was break above a key level, Tech. So it was break above a key level. This key level right here that was provided by the indicator, 2381285. This one right here. And you had a buy signal here on the 15-minute also. And we actually got entries on the hourly because this 15-minute candle closed above right here. But it was also an hourly and 30-minute closure above, right? So you can see the confirmation came off the 1 hour time frame over here with the 1 hour closure above. And then once price came down and tapped into this level, you can see if I show you the Discord today, I actually walked the members through a little bit. So here I said looking for buys above 3281,285, targets around 2382,830, and then I said, what just happened? I said if the hourly closes above, I want the next hourly candle to tap into 2381,285, creating a bottom wick before I enter buys, right? So this is what I was looking for. The next hourly candle to open up, tap into that level before I look for buys. That happened perfectly. You can see we opened up, tapped into that level, started driving, breaking the highs, and it was coming into a rejection area. So I ended up taking profits of about 18 pips. So yeah, and then I explained why I closed early here, and then the full targets got hit up there at 2386170. But yeah, that was today's trade. That was today's trade, man. Just gonna post to the TikTok that we are live because obviously the TikTok is still banned until about an hour away, right? We got an hour until the TikTok is unbanned. All right. But yeah, that was the trade today, man. So yeah, we're just waiting for closures above. Obviously, I'm still in the sell. I'm still in the sell from 238863 in this area somewhere. You can see we came close to stopping out a break even, about 7-8 pips, but it's dropped back down a little bit now. So still in that sell trade from yesterday. Caught the buys up for the pullback. So now let's see what happens. What is currently going on is we're retesting, right? We are retesting gbpjpy. Yeah, no worries. Let me just take this off, you know. Let me just take this off. I got my hoodie on because it's freezing right here now, but we just turned the heating on, so warming up a little bit. But what is happening now, if we look at the 12-hour time frame, is the 12-hour break of structure level is getting retested again, right? So here's where we broke structure in this uptrend, right? As you can see, nice little uptrend right here. Here's the low, which got broken in this uptrend. We broke it. We come back for a retest. 1, 2. Now we're dropping. We've also retested the previous daily open, right? So if we have a look over here, yesterday's open up here in these areas, right? From the daily perspective. So we tapped into that. So this is a decent wick for the top wick at this point for the daily. So at any point, we could look to flip bearish here, in my opinion, right? And if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we've rejected these levels nicely. We're pushing down over the next few hours. I want to start seeing price come down back into these areas. Back into these areas. USD CAD, yeah, I'll look at USD CAD and gbpjpy in a second. I want to see price on the 4-hour and on the hourly come down into these areas and start closing below, right? And then we can start looking for sales again. Down into these areas, or you know, potential sales are on the cards. I need to stop saying that. If we're gonna go live on TikTok again and not get banned, I need to stop saying that. We can look for sales, right? How can I reword that? What I'm looking for is a sell-off, right? How do we GBP USD? Man, you're asking me to analyze a lot of pairs right now, Favor. So first of all, I've got to do gbpjpy for MF, and then I'll do yours. Okay, so let me do gbpjpy real quick. Let's see what's happening here with gbpjpy. Let's go in here. Let's turn off this. And now, first of all, let's go to the monthly and let's have a look what's happening on the monthly time frame on gbpjpy. Very interesting. Look at this right here. This month, we came all the way down, created a very, very steep bottom wick at this point, right? To continue with this overall structure, this bullish structure, right? Of lower highs and higher lows. We've broken previous monthly. So let me just mark this up. Previous monthly high. Well, not previous monthly, but monthly high. Previous monthly high, would it? You got in a swing sell. What's up, PJ? And we came down like into these areas almost. We didn't quite tap in here, so I'm not going to mark that out. But let's have a look at the current monthly open and then the previous monthly high, right? Previous monthly high. Let me just... And monthly open, right? We're going to look at these levels on the monthly. So this is very interesting right now because as of right now, we can potentially see called 197 on GJ. Did you? Like bullish? Nice, bro. If this monthly candle starts flipping bullish at this point, starts breaking the highs, it's going to be very interesting, right? Let's have a look on the weekly. So let's mark up these weekly highs right here. right? Previous weekly highs. And we've also got this level right here that we can look at. We won't look at that just yet. Won't look at that just yet. All right, so the weekly perspective, we're back at the monthly open now, right? So this is going to be a very, it's going to be a very interesting level for price on GJ. So coming onto the daily, you can see the daily is currently testing it. Very nice level of structure over here. If we look at the previous daily high, let's have a look at that previous daily high in there. Let's come all the way down, tap back in the previous weekly high. Interesting. So what happened here, right? Yesterday, Thursday, is we broke, well, on Monday here, right? If you have a look right here, on Monday, we broke that weekly high, and then we came back down yesterday and wicked off it for a retest, right? So we broke and retested that weekly high, flipped all the way back bullish, and now we're pushing bullish again. So there's the previous daily high broken. Now we're testing in previous, the current monthly open, and the 12-hour candle has just opened. We have a 12-hour high now. Very interesting. Let's just mark that up. All right, 12-hour high. And this is the previous daily high. All right, previous daily high. Let's just get that off. So price, so the 12-hour candle is just open, right, which is an important candle open, and it's come down and it's tapping on this level. So it's closed above and now it's coming down and tapping onto this level. I think, so look at the 8 hour. What's the 8 hour doing? 8 hours also closed above, come down, retested this level, retested in these highs. 4 hour perspective, we've broke and retested that level, rejected. We're staying above. We're staying above this monthly high at the moment, but again, we've tried to come up here, create a top wick, and now we're flipping back bearish to come and test this level again on the 4 hour perspective. So what I would look at on GJ, you can see on the 1 hour time frame right now, right? You can see a lot of consolidation in here now because we're at the monthly open. This is a very important level for GJ. That's why you're seeing consolidation. So what I would want to see, you want to see the 4 hour respecting this level, right? You want to see closures above, which we've got right here. And you want to start seeing this 4 hour candle now come up, and you want to start seeing it come up into these levels, and you want to start seeing 1 hour, 4 hour closures above, right? Obviously, you can look at the 1 hour first of all, but then we want to see the 4 hour closure above. And if the 4 hour closes above this high right here, 197.333, then you're going to look for continuation buys. I would say, yeah, definitely into this level first of all. This is your first target. This is your first target. I'm actually just going to mark this up as a zone because it's not really anything. All right, I'm just going to mark it up there like that. That'll be your first target on the lower time frames. That'll be a pretty decent move if you can get in there. What is this? It's about a 50 or so pip range. It's a nice range to trade on GJ for sure. So what you want to see, price come up over the next 2 hours, 44 minutes, or even into next week as well. This is still valid into next week. So we want to see price come up into 197.333, and we want to see a closure above here on the hourly, the 4 hourly, and then we can look to take, you know, then buys are valid at that point. If not, if we start breaking this level, start coming down, then the next level potentially you could come in today to retest is this level, right? 196.2926, right? And then again, you'd want a 1 hour closure below here maybe, and then you want to see the next 1 hour candle, right? You'd want to see something like this, right? Closure below, and then you want to see the next hourly candle come down, break these lows, and you can look to potentially getting the sell down to the next level. But I would say really buys are what I would look at mostly. Yeah. All right. What's up, Seal? That's GJ. That's GJ. Anticipate the move to the upside here. with a break of 197.333. That's what I would look at. Potentially move this up a little bit more. Just into there, maybe. Did I take any trades? Yeah, I took a trade on gold today. Took a buy, which is broken down in the Discord as well. Right here. Oh. Warrior of the Truth. Hi, bro. I'm new on here. May I know what strategy you're using? This price action warrior. Clean, clear, precise price action trading with breakouts. Did you take any trades today, Seal? I mean, I haven't seen you post in the Discord today. All right, what was the next one? Favor, are you still in here, Favor? You still in here, bro? If you're still in here, we'll look at, what was the first one you said? USD CAD. All I'm buying? What? You're buying all of the pairs that you shared with me, right? Also, I'm waiting selling zone at 2388. It may bounce to that. What is that on gold, warrior? All right, so here's USD CAD. I forgot to close yesterday. 775 more order was filled. I lost 10% of my account. Getting down, bro. You forgot to close. Damn, son. That is a mistake that you definitely need to learn from, buddy. Sheesh. All right, so this is USD CAD. USD CAD. What I can see straight away looking on the monthly time frame is the fact that we have come down and tapped into this monthly level right here. Okay, we broke it. Now we've come down to retest it. We still have 14 days left of the monthly, so we can still flip bullish here. Price is on the monthly time frame creating higher highs, right, and higher lows. So tapped into that level. That's the only really thing I'm seeing, of course, at this point. We got potential monthly open targets up here overall, right? If price is going to flip back bullish, which there's a good chance it will. If we're going down to the weekly, I'm just going to mark out this level a bit more precisely, like that potentially, and we'll go down to the daily and make it a bit more. But we've broken previous weekly lows, previous weekly low in a downtrend. So the monthly's bullish, the weekly's bearish, right? Because at this point we've got lower highs and lower lows in here at this point. Right, previous weekly, do I need to look at that? Maybe. So we'll do weekly open. Right, weekly open. We got that locked in. What else? Where's this tapped into? Tapped into there, did it? We can look at that. All right, we'll look at these levels for now. But yeah, the weekly's looking bearish, obviously, right? We've come down and retested onto that previous monthly high that was broken. So it's broken, retested it, key level here. Let's have a look on the daily. Let's see if we can get a closer look at this level. So this level is like this. But that's quite a big level, so I can't really short on that, can I? Came all the way down, tapped into there. So now the daily, right? The daily, very interesting. So at this point, like I said, we've broken retested structure from the monthly perspective, breaking that monthly high and then retesting it. We're now tapped down into 1.35898. Rejected. We've closed back above that previous monthly high on the daily. right? Even though we rejected the previous weekly low, we're now pushing up, breaking previous daily highs. So now comes the juiciness, right? We got 12-hour closure above, back into the previous weekly lows. Let me see, what's this level like? Looking like this one, really. This is what it looks like to be retesting. So I'll leave that there. I'll leave that there because it has broken, retested it with 2 rejection weeks right here. So the 12-hour is closed back in. The 8-hour hasn't yet, but this 8-hour looks like it wants to close back in. Still got 2.5 hours left. 4 hours. So you can either see two things right here now on USD CAD. We can come down and retest in here, right, before continuing back bullish, in my opinion. Or in 2.5 hours, you can wait for a 4-hour closure above 136,412, this level right here, previous daily high, to continue bullish. And I would say the next level is up in here, the weekly open. I doubt we're going to see that today, but that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. You're either going to see one of two things, right? Tap down into here for a retest and then a buy, or a buy above this level once we get that 4-hour closure above. That's my idea on USD CAD. But that's at this point, what we've got, you know, a few hours left until market close. It's probably going to end up happening next week, if this comes through, right? If this analysis plays out, it's probably going to play out next week at this point. Where are we tapping into, right? We're not really tapping into anything, are we? What's this? This level. Eventually got this. Yeah. That's USD CAD. That's what I'll be looking at on USD CAD. And if the 4-hour at this point now comes back down and starts closing below 136,314, then at that point your bias is probably going to flip bearish, right? And then you can potentially look for sells. You know, it can potentially sell off then down below these areas into 13144 or below into 135,898. That's what I'll be looking at on USD CAD. But it would probably be this range right here that I would look to trade. This would be a no trade area, right? No trades within this range. No trades within here. You want trades within here or trades within here. Yes, bro, I just trade gold and sometimes EU. Nice. Are you in the Telegram? Are you in the Telegram, warrior? Because I've been breaking down Euro USD in the Telegram all week. Let's actually take a look at Euro USD. Let's see how it's playing out. Because I was anticipating sales again. Beautiful. Played out beautifully again. If you're not following, if you're not subbed to the YouTube channel you're in the live stream right now, man, make sure you hit that sub, hit the like button for your boy. I appreciate it. So what else? Anybody else want me to look at anything else? I forgot to, I didn't take any trades because that loss affects my motion. Fair enough. So that's That's a good takeaway from that. At least you had the frame of mind to come to that conclusion and that decision, and you stuck to it. So that's good. GBP USD. All right, let's do GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's have a look. All right. So again, starting on the monthly time frame, let's see what is the monthly doing right now. Why is it coming all the way back up here when the monthly is pretty much bearish at this point, right? If you have a look at the monthly time frame, big rejection, strong rejection to the upside, and then price sells off heavily, creating lower highs and lower lows. So why is this monthly candle coming all the way back up, almost into previous monthly highs? Why is it doing that? Let's try and figure it out. Let's try and figure it out. Let's have a look at the overall picture. I mean, it's in a short, I would say it's in a short term move to the upside, but an overall move to the downside, right? If you're looking at it that way. But in terms of right now, I'm trying to figure out why this is pushing back bullish. Why is it coming back up into these areas? Where did that tap into? It tapped into there, didn't it? So that would be have been a break of structure level right here. Monthly break of structure high, right? Monthly break of structure high down here. That looks like price. As you can see, this bullish candle. So if you have a look over to the left, right, you can see lower highs, lower lows, right, in this monthly downtrend right here, which happened for 3 months straight during August, September, October of 2023. And then this bullish candle came, boom, straight back up without retesting this level. Now it's come back down and retested it and tapped it. So this could be a reason why GBP USD is flipping bullish at this point, right? To continue with this bullish move over here, right? It's broken, retested, now continuation to the upside potentially. So that could be a reason. Let's have a look at the weekly. Let's have a look at the weekly. So what's the weekly done? The weekly looks messy. Obviously, there's a lot of news in here on the pound and the US. The weekly has broken previous weekly highs. And it's coming up for a tap into the previous monthly high right here. Hasn't broke it, which is important, right? Hasn't broke it, but it came close and it's tapping into these overall areas. Don't really necessarily have to tap into that. Let's have a look at the daily and see if we can narrow this this level down a bit. So we've come up, found resistance here at the previous monthly high, and now we're rejecting, right? And the monthly is overall so bearish. Look at the rejection of this level right here. Perfect. Down in this break of structure monthly level. Beautiful. So now we're pulling back. As you can see, overall trend is to the downside, right? If you have a look. Okay. Overall trend is to the downside. We've got lower highs, lower lows, right? This could just be another lower high. And as long as it doesn't break that previous monthly high, this can be a valid lower high in the market right here for us to continue to sell off. So now you can see we have a previous daily bearish candle. We have a daily bearish low right here. Right? Previous daily low right here. So let's mark out this level as well. Previous daily open. I'll just put daily open. So these are our levels. These are our points in the market right now. Let's go down to the 12. Look at the 12. The 12 broke. The new bearish broke that structure. We can move this up into here now on the 12 hour to make this zone a little more clean. Do this well. Now let's go down to the 4. That's where you can really get your precise entries on the 4 once price taps into there. Or we can bring it down into here actually. Yo, Pegasus, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. Let's go. YouTube legend in the chat. So now what we can expect to see on GBP USD is a break of that previous daily low, right? This is what we want to see at this point. If we're going to see a rejection of this level and a trend continuation now based off the previous daily bearish candle, the fact that we're tapping into previous monthly highs over here, right? That the last time we was in this level, if you take a look, huge sell-off, right? Huge sell-off. So if we're going to see a similar reaction, right, what we want to see now is the daily start to line up, right? Because we have previous daily candle, a bearish candle. So we want to see that structure now form on the daily time frame, lower highs, lower lows. We want to see a break of this daily low. That's going to give us confirmation that GBP/USD can continue to sell off. And then, of course, the next level would be down below this level. We can look at sales in this range down into 1.26229, and then beyond that down into 1.25944. All right, so that'll be the levels, that'll be the targets. Potentially take profit 1, take profit 2, but that's what I would look for. I would look for a break of this daily low now, potential closure on the 4-hour or the 1-hour time frame. And if price wants to pull back a bit more, where could it be tapping into? It could potentially be tapping into here. Did not mean to click that. Previous, oh my god, leave me alone. This previous 4H open, right? So this is where we could be tapping into now, especially after this huge rejection on the 4-hour time frame right here, which could also be, yeah, that's also the 8-hour, also the 8-hour open that we're tapping back into. Yeah, that's what I would look for. That is what I would look for here on GBP/USD, is a break of this level and a continuation to the downside. Price closes, if price closes back above this level right here, 126,551, 126,551, that would then mean this 4-hour candle is flip bullish, and the next level we could see tapped. Why would it come back up at this point? Let's have a look. Why would it come back up at this point? Maybe it could be coming into, maybe it could be coming back into this break of structure level right here. Which is the 12H BOS, right? Maybe it wants to come for a tap in here. Let's have a look. It's already tapped in there though. You see, this is where that previous 4-hour candle tapped into, right? You see this huge rejection wick up? That just came and retested that 12H break of structure level, right? Look at that tap. Boom, tapped in, retested it, continue bearish. So at this point, if it wants to continue bullish, then yeah, it's going to continue bullish. And then you can look for potential buys back up above this area, right? If you get closure back over here, you can look, because if price is gonna pull back at this point, it's more than likely going to come for another retest into this zone. Because if you have a look at this rejection right here, it wasn't really much of a rejection. It just tapped in, no top wick there, and then price came down, right, on the 4-hour time frame. So if price is going to come back up, then it's going to come back up for another test of this resistance before the sell-off potentially. But as of right now, I would say look for those continuation sells below 26433. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about this analysis? Good or bad? AUD NZD. Actually don't have that on my chart, so I'll bring it up. And you better not say bad, because if you say bad, you're getting banned. AUD NZD. Right, yeah. Wait, where is it? Why didn't it just add to my chart? There we go. Ooh, AUD NZD. I haven't looked at this pair in a long time. Again, let's go to the monthly. Why is the monthly candle even though it is currently in a bullish uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows, why is this monthly candle created a higher high and now it's flipped bearish and it's driving to the downside? Why is that? So let's mark up the monthly high right here, previous monthly high. Right, previous monthly high, lock that in, because as you see, price is tapped out, and now it's flipped, right? It's flipped and reversing. Now we're coming down to the previous monthly open, right? Previous monthly open right here. This level, didn't mean to click that, didn't mean to click that again. Previous monthly open, okay? The opens of the candles, very, very important right here, the bodies of the candles, all right? Then we have the overall target of the previous monthly low. So we got our monthly levels at this point, right? Why is this monthly level coming down, pushing bearish, and potentially breaking previous monthly lows at this point? See, the weekly is rejected in this level nicely. Weekly is definitely bearish at this point. Definitely going into next week. Previous weekly low, right? Nice, Tony. Let's go, bro. Yeah, it was a good trade, man. I'm just going to mark up the weekly open right here. How much did you end up catching, Tony? It was about 30 pips, did you say? So now we're tapping. You can see we're tapping into that previous monthly open right now. Right, so let's see if we can go down to the low time frames and look for this break of structure level right here. Actually went up all the way and tested into that previous weekly open. Very interesting. I just want to take a quick look at that on the lower time frames. Let's have a look at the daily. So this was a pretty easy move to the downside here, right? From this level. Because if you take a look on the weekly, right? The weekly was in a very nice uptrend. Boom, boom, boom. Then we had break of structure from the weekly perspective. If we mark that out, right? Weekly. I'm actually just going to get rid of that, and I'm just going to put in weekly break of structure, right? Once price right here tapped out of those previous weekly lows, broke that bullish structure, all you're waiting for then is that once this weekly candle opens, this one right here, a pullback into these areas, and then you can start looking for sales, right? As long as it lines up with the daily. So from these areas right here, right, you can see price pulls back, creating higher highs, and then we get the break of structure in here, bearish daily candle, and from this point you could look to sell below this level, and look how much price sold off there. Beautiful. I'll have a look at that in a second, see where you could potentially got entries, but that would have been the move this week, man. That would have been the move, definitely. So now we're coming back down into these previous monthly open, which I'm guessing is in here. Yeah, so I'm just going to mark out this level right here. This is the level right now. This is the level where price is tapping into, right? And let's see if it rejects today. If it closes below, Bomo, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. Let's go. Welcome to the YouTube gang. 30 pips, nice, man. Yeah, I got about 18, bro. 18 pips in total. Take a look at previous. I mean, at this point, this AUD ends a D trade. The sales would have been right here today, right? The sales would have been below this level. We'll take a look at that in a second. But I just want to quickly look at, let me just go in here. Previous daily low. Let me just mark up that as well. I just want to see. So let's have a look over here and see what we could have got here. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Did that close below right there? Hard to see. So there's that daily low. We break it, we spike out. Then you'd want a closure below. You get a closure below right here. What is this? 16. So entry potentially would have been in here. Your stops would have been above these levels. 10 pips. I mean, 10 pips is nothing. You could even go 15 pips to be safe, to be honest. And then you get the closure below. You get the breakout of the daily right there from the 1 hour. Yeah, that would have been a beautiful sell. That would have been the break of structure sell, right? Right in here. Would have been beautiful. But anyway, looking at today. Today, where is it? Previous daily low. There. Yeah. Today's trade, if you wanted to get in a trade today on AUD UNZ, would have been right here. On the breakout right here, right? Stops above there. You would have been sitting nice in profit right now. You would have moved your stops to break even at this point. And price is now closed below that previous monthly open. Close below. Close below, close back above, then close below, and then it drove again. So I think at this point, targets, where will targets be now? Really what you'd want to see is, let's have a look at the 4 hours closed below as well. That would have been another entry right there. Yeah, I would say AUD and the D potentially now what you want to see. If it's going to continue off, if it's going to continue selling to the downside, you definitely want price to come and tap into 1.08995, right? I reckon that's what it's going to do at this point. You can see a rejection we're currently forming right now. I think it's going to come back and tap into here, and then you can potentially see that downside once price taps into this level. But you definitely want that tap first of all. You definitely want that tap. And at this point, I would wait to see how this daily candle closes. You definitely, if price is going to continue bearish, you definitely want to see the daily candle close below here, right? This level, 1.08995. If not, if this daily candle comes back up for the rest of today and rejects this level and closes back above, right? Closes back above this level, then there's a chance you're potentially going to get a retracement coming in here, right? Back up into these levels. But you just need to wait. At this point, I would wait for daily closure below because this is a very key level. Previous monthly open, very key level. Right? This is where the previous monthly candle opened, drove up. You definitely want price to respect this. And if it's going to continue down, then the next target is the previous monthly low down at 1.08564. But like I said, wait for a tap up first. Wait for this candle to pull back, or the next candle to pull back into this area. Then you want to see rejection, right? And then you can potentially look at continuation sales down after that. I for sure think we're going to get a tap into here though. It's definitely going to come back and retest in this level for sure. It's just a matter of when, not if, when. Let's have a look at gold. All right, gold has flipped back bullish now. 4 hour. We got 2 hours left of this 4 hour candle. It's made a bottom wick at this point. Previous daily open. So yeah, if the 4 hour closes above this level in a couple hours, 2386 130, then gold is definitely coming back up into up into here. 2392070. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, getting some consolidation now. I mean, look at the 1 hour. Even if you get a 1 hour closure above here now, we've had 4 rejections currently on the 1 hour time frame at this level. So if this 1 hour candle closes above here in the next 13 minutes, above 2386 130, then again, there's a good chance gold is going to continue. You'd have to see that hourly closure above though. Oil? You want me to do oil? I'll do oil in a second, man. I need a break. My throat is like tense from all that talking, doing all that analysis. But this played out beautifully. Euro USD played out beautifully. This was posted. Do you guys like my thumbnail, by the way? Do you think this is cool or not? You don't need break? I do, bro. My throat. Look at this. Euro USD. This was what I was looking at on Euro USD today. Did it tap in? It did tap in as well. Beautiful. That was, yeah, that was my analysis on Euro USD today in the Telegram channel. Pull back into these levels and then a sell off. How long were you trading? What do you mean? How long have I been trading, Favor? Is that what you're asking? How long have I been trading? Now Euro USD is going to come down into 1.08376. That's the next level. How many years? Almost 8 years, Favor. So seven years, almost 8. Appreciate your analyst, Cody. Great learning from you. Appreciate that, PJ. My man. Thank you very much. I appreciate those words, man. What's up, Ahmad? Don't forget to hit the like button. Exactly. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. And if you're new in this, if you're new in the stream, sub to the channel, man. What's my analysis of gold? Let's have a look. So my analysis of gold is in the next 13. What is it now? 10 minutes. If the hourly candle closes above 2386130. There's a good chance it can continue on to 2392070. Back up into weekly targets. What's your logical reasoning behind your strategy for trading? It's just price action, Favor. Literally price action. You've just seen me analyze, what, three pairs or so. All I'm doing literally is looking at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, you know, every now and then the 12 and the 8, the 4 hour. I'm just using time frames, clear price action on those time frames to get a bias, to understanding, you know, why the market is going to each level that it is. And using that as my bias, you know, with then breakouts on the 1 hour time frame, the 30-minute time frame potentially. You know, the logical reason behind it is following the higher time frames. The higher time frames will always give you direction. Then all you've got to do is go down to the lower time frames, look for the clear levels, and look for entries above or below those levels. Very simple. Give someone else a go, Favor. Stop hugging it, Favor. We're in a hug. What a funny word that is, man. Hug. Stop hugging it. Who comes up with these words, man? As someone getting into trading in the last 3 months, what's your opinion on making a living from it? My opinion would be it takes a very long time to master. Do not come into this and think that within even a year or 2 years or 3 years, you're going to be making money enough to quit your job or, you know, make a living from it, pay your bills, right? Pay your rent, whatever it may be. It should, first of all, it should be the process, right? A hobby on the side, something that you're learning and you're doing, as well as your current job to, you know, your 9 to 5 to pay your bills and whatever. And then eventually after, like I said, 2, 3, 4 years, maybe you're looking at it, you're journaling all your trades, you're journaling all of your results in the market, and you're seeing if it is viable, right? You're seeing if it is viable. And if your results match up and they're checking out, and you've successfully traded a small live account or a demo account and been consistently profitable for, you know, 1-2 years, then you can go into thinking about, I could potentially make a living from this, right? Bebe, he said he means basically let some other people answer some questions, or let him answer some other people's questions is what it means. We can go live on the TikTok again in about 15 minutes. Let's see. Where's this Xauusd trade that I was in? It's coming close. It's very close to my entry. Will I get out at break even? Or price reverse? No harm intended. We're gonna wait for gold favor. We're gonna wait for gold to see if it closes above this level, and then after that we'll look at oil. All right. All right, buddy. Buddy. Mate, favor. What's this?
We all would like to.
Not long enough to be profitable, but not long enough to be profitable, but long enough to be not profitable. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo guys, if you're in the YouTube, do me a favor and hit the like button, man. Do me a favor and hit the like button. There's 30 of you in here now. We've only got 7 likes, man. Let's go. We got We got 3 minutes here until a 1 hour closure above. If we get a 1 hour closure, then what you want to see is the next 1 hour candle open up, come down and tap in. And then you want to see the move to the upside. No sell on gold, not at the moment. Gold is pushing bullish and it's closing. It looks like it's trying to close above key levels. So if it's going to be bearish, it needs to be respecting these levels, right? And you need to be seeing, you know, look at the current momentum right now to the upside. If we want to see sells, if I want to see sells, right, then price needs to be rejecting these levels, not closing above, and start pushing to the downside. So until we see some momentum to the downside, start coming below these levels, I think gold has a good chance of continuing bullish. If it doesn't close above 2386, then we wait for the next hourly. Right now, look at the 4 hour time frame, right? Look at the 4 hour candles. Look how they're forming. They're all forming bullish. They're pushing up. They're creating higher highs, higher lows. 8 hour time frame as well, right? Break of structure. All right. Look at the candles. Look how the candles are forming. All the candles are bullish right now, right? All the candles are bullish right now. There is bullish momentum, and the fact that this hourly candle is closing above 2386.130 is giving us more indication that price wants to continue bullish. That's it. That's it, man. First of all, I would like it to tap into 2386.130. 2386.130 before any move to the upside. Hopefully soon, or I will go broke. Alright, we've seen a push here. The last 10. I don't want to see this hourly candle close with no top wick. I want it to have some kind of top wick, or we could be seeing you could potentially see a reversal from here. All right, I mean, it left a bit of a top wick. You definitely want to see it tap 2386.130 at this point, definitely. If it doesn't tap 2386.130, I'm not interested. Yeah, the 1 hour closed above, but you want to see a tap above. You want to see a tap at 2386.130. I want to see a tap. Previous 4H high right here as well. Let me know how you know. TikTok is, I can go live on TikTok in 6 minutes. I don't know, Alec. Just saying the wrong things, I think. Just giving, you know, you're not allowed to give financial advice, you know, obviously. So I obviously said the wrong thing about a potential trade or something, and they didn't like it. So that's why I'm trying to reword my vocabulary around TikTok right now, because I need to be saying, I don't know how to word it anymore. No, I'm not gonna close it, Ahmad. I can go live on both at the same time. Yeah, Alex. Somebody asked, like, are we gonna be taking a trade today? And I said, I think I got banned is because I said, if you follow along, you might. If you follow along, what did I say? If you follow along and pay attention, you might be able to catch a trade, right? And that's basically saying, like, you're basically giving people financial advice or whatever, right? And you're not allowed to do that. So I think that's why. I think that's the reason why I got banned for that. Wherever you want, Ahmad. Wherever you want, bro. If you prefer TikTok, bro, you can go over to TikTok. I don't mind. And for being the oracle known as the gold god, yeah. Making too many people money. Yeah, so I've got to watch what I say now because my TikTok account has got a strike. If it gets another strike, it can be banned permanently, I think. So I really have to watch what I say this time. So I'm going to hide the numbers again. I'm going to put not financial advice for educational purposes only. And I might even just mute my mic on TikTok. And then just, if people want to watch, then they have to come over to the YouTube, right? Because I don't know what the fuck I'm going to say. Like, I can't control what I'm going to say, bro. Yeah, just get more people on YouTube. The reason I started the TikTok was to drive people to the YouTube channel, right? TikTok will think it's sus. Yeah, that's a good idea as well, actually. That's a good point, Matesh. If I'm mute, that's probably gonna get flagged in the system as well. What the fuck do I do then? I know I'm gonna say some shit, bro. I know I am. Come on, you know you want to tap into 2386130. You know you do. Tape my mouth. All right, should we see? We got 41 seconds. We got 30 seconds. Use hand. Maybe temporarily mute. What do you mean, Alec? There we go. There's the tap. There's the tap. 2386130. There we go. Now you're seeing the reaction. You see these levels? Beautiful. Look at that. All right, let's have a look. Let's see. Do you guys want to see? We got 2 seconds. Let's see if it unbans the second 2106. There's 2106. Where's my unban? Excuse me. Let me relaunch it. Excuse me, motherfuckers. What's that? Do your own research. And what's the other one, Mitesh? Hello? Hello? Where's my unban, motherfuckers? Yes, I know that, but you're not unbanning it. Hello. These motherfuckers not unbanning it, bro. Not financial advice. Refresh? Yeah, I closed it and opened it again. Hindu TVA. This is not financial advice, brother. Hey, there it is. We got it. We got it. Motherfuckers. I almost don't want to go live on there now. Just a fucking, you know what I mean? Like, fuck these guys, man. Pussies. Fucking pussy. Can YouTube ban me for that or what? Can YouTube ban me for... Alright, let's see. Text. Let me add a text. Where is it? Text. Alright, what should I put? Not for educational purposes only. Not financial advice. TikTok's back.
Yay! So I came in with the tea.
You celebrating with the tea?
Wild.
It won't ban you here. People have 74 accounts on here trading. So no, I mean Mickey. I mean like for my swearing. Like if I'm on here going like calling people pussies and shit, are they gonna ban me or what? Live Forex trading? Yeah, maybe I need to change that. What should I put? What should I put as the title? See, here's this tap. Here's the tap of 2386 Now it's flipping. We can get the flip. Potentially get the flip. Maybe. Can we get the flip? Maybe. Bow. Where's the size, man? Where is the size? Why can't I change the size? It's going to be one size, fair enough. Alright guys, I need your help, alright? What do we do now? What do we do? So you can see down here now I've added let me make this a bit quicker actually. So let me fasten it up a little bit so people can really see it. Right? For educational purposes only. Do you think I should just make it smaller and put it on the actual screen rather than doing this or what? Like do I make it smaller like this? Oh. Yeah. And just put it on the screen like just permanently or what? Why do I have to do this shit, bro? Do I do this? And maybe just maybe don't put that on. Maybe do this. And then for educational purposes only. Right? And then go like that. Not financial advice. And then do I just put it here or something? Or down here? What do I do? Maybe up here, like. Why does he look such bad? Why does he look such bad? Why does he look such bad quality? What? Does it have sands? Canvas. Something Sans? What is it? Comic Sans. No. How? Arial. Arial Black. I think Arial Black, right? Change it to like a very bright color. Maybe like a gold or like an orange. Yellow. Or black. Yeah, buddy. And then what I can do is I can go like this. And go like this and go like this. Is this good or is this bad? The bottom, I don't think people are going to see it though. I don't think people are going to see if it's on the bottom because of all the chat and everything that gets in the way. And then maybe what I do, because I know you're not allowed to advertise. I know you're not allowed to advertise another platform. So maybe I'll just go like this. Maybe I just don't. No, maybe I just put live on YouTube. What do you think? If I put link in profile, they might be thinking that I'm trying to like bait people with a dodgy link or something, like a scammy link. Maybe I just go like this. Fucking hell, the things you have to do, man. The things you have to do. Oh, what did I just do? There we go. You think that's good? Do you guys think that's good? Live on YouTube. For educational purposes only. Oh yeah, and change the title. What do I put the title to? Live. Maybe I'll just do XAUUSD. What do I put? Same as my YouTube one. Please let me do it. Oh, just about. What do we think? Good? Forex trading, technical analysis. Live Forex education. What about that? Live Forex education. Why can't gold go down? It can go down. Live Forex education. XAUUSD. I just want to put XAUUSD in there because people love that shit. Alright, that's it. We're going to do it. We're going to go live. Now I just have to watch what I say. Now I just have to watch what I say. All right, man, we are live on TikTok. We are live on TikTok once more. I wonder what the stream's gonna be like now. I wonder if they're gonna block it from people, you know? I wonder if they're gonna what you call it? Yeah, shadow ban, like. What's up, Ahmad? what's the word I'm looking for? They're gonna... I've just completely lost that word. Here we go. The tap into 2386-130. Can we get a break of previous 4-hour highs? What's up, Mitesh? Yeah, if you guys appreciate the likes, man. Appreciate the likes, guys, on the TikTok. They've actually updated the user face, so the TikTok looks... The live studio looks interesting. Let me see what the live looks like. I swear they best. They're probably gonna cancel me, bro. They're probably gonna cancel me, I'm not gonna lie. What's up, Kemacha? YouTube stops when you open another app. Yeah, that's tough. So does TikTok continue? That's cool, man. Why is it not showing up that I've gone live on TikTok yet on my phone? Oh, there we go. Wait, what? Couldn't watch live? Ah, interesting. Yeah, that's better. You can't see anything at this point though. You cannot see anything. If I bring this over a little bit, what about now? Can you guys see the names and stuff on the chart? Shadowban, you didn't show that I was live? Yeah, that sucks, man. That sucks. Is it possible to go up to 2395? This is not financial advice, but it is possible. My gosh. See, what do I even say anymore, man? Is it even worth it? Is it even worth going live on TikTok anymore? I mean, we've still got like 8,000 or so followers on Well Played. We've still got like over 8,000, almost 9,000 followers on TikTok. So, you know, the followers should see that I'm live and come through eventually, I would say. We could still get some decent views here. Just opened a sell. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Maybe I shouldn't read those comments. Yeah, double tap. Get the lights going, man. Let's show these TikTok fools that we are powerful. We're a powerful community. Can you write it on my TradingView chart? Yeah, I could, to be fair. What? The not financial advice part? There we go. We're getting some follows. Appreciate the follow, Christian. Let's go. Let's go. They can't keep us down. Appreciate the diamonds, the we. They can't keep us down, man. Someone created an account with the same name as me. I know. There's a lot of people out there right now doing it. Trying to break. At this point, let's have a look. What is this? Previous 4H highs. You got 8 minutes for a 15 closure. Look at this consolidation in here, man. The 15, what's that all about? Because it's sitting at a 12-hour break of structure levels. 15 closure above. and it could start. It could start moving. I'm just analyzing everything I'm saying now, bro. Like, this is fucked. He chatted you too. What? They're trying to message you as well. Welcome back to TikTok. Appreciate you, Auto. Let's go. Store. Also appreciate the diamonds. Let's go. I'll show you guys the TikTok chat. I'll show you guys the TikTok chat, man. Now I'm just worried about this as well, in case that's another reason why they banned me, because I was showing the TikTok chat. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna message you first, all right? I'm not gonna message you, private message you first. So if anybody private messages you first, pretending to be me or saying that they're me, and you know, just know that it is not me. It is not me. It is not me. What about if I just started doing this? Would that be bad? Would that be bad, TikTok? Am I being a bad boy if I do this? Fuck, man. They're gonna censor me, aren't they? MF. I mean, at this point, it is what it is, you know. I think basically, if we're looking at the weekly time frame, right? Look at the weekly. The weekly's bullish. We've got 9 hours left. We're tapped into this level already, where, you know, this is where I was talking about the rejection. And at this point, I mean, yeah, first of all, we just need to await see what happens at this level. I just need to await to see what happens at this level. Me. You get lots of fake accounts. That's fucked. One of them actually followed me the other day. Like, one of the fake accounts actually followed me on TikTok. Like, these people have got no brains, man. Yeah, we can't do that, Mafia. We can't do that. Definitely not on TikTok. It's not allowed, brother. There we go. We still got 72, 74 people in the TikTok. 75. Let's go. Where'd the music go? Oh, it's moving. It's moving. It's definitely moving. Same entry. What, as the one to the left, Leech? Might just take off the text on TikTok. The live on the Red app. What's up, Jackers? Yo, TikTok, we are live on the Red platform. You know what the Red platform is, trust me. We are live on the Red platform too. If you guys want to come over there, in case we get banned again on TikTok, you know where to find me. All right, you know where to find me. Appreciate all the likes on TikTok, man. Appreciate the likes, the diamonds. You guys are going crazy. IBN, appreciate the follow. Yeah, that's where. Yeah, that's where I looked at. That's where I. That is where I previously had a trade. I'm trying to think how to say it. That is where I previously had a trade. Definitely wasn't on a live stream. Definitely not. Yeah, that's a good idea, actually, Alec. See, this is why I need. This is why I need help. This is why I need help from you guys. We are live on the red platform. My social links are in my TikTok profile. Yeah, yeah. Textbook breakout, Leech from the hourly time frame. Beautiful hourly closure above. 2381, 285. Right here. This hourly candle closed above, and then on the break of the hourly highs right there. Nice 35 pip move up. I caught about 18 pips, 18, 19 pips. Pipettes. Pipettes. What's up, Bernice? Yeah, we're live on TikTok again, Bernice. Hopefully, this one lasts longer. I've had to change my vocabulary a little bit. Right, we're thinking about what we're saying now. Right, we're not just saying anything. We're thinking about what we're saying. Yeah, potentially, Kirby. That was my overall target this week, and price did tap into there beautifully. That was my weekly target on gold from the breakdown given in the academy this week. Where's the music on? The music stopped. All right, restart. That was my outlook this week. We got that beautiful tap, and it seems price can come back for another tap in there. That's what it's looking like right now. That is what it's looking like right now. Not this time, Brad. Not this time, bro. The first time we tapped in there, yeah, for sure. First time we tapped in for sure, but now price is coming up again. That's tricky, right? Because at this point, if you're looking at the overall, you know, for example, if we look at the daily time frame, the daily time frame at this point is looking very bullish, right? And it's creating higher highs, higher lows, pulling back, continuing bullish, pulling back, continuing bullish. So if we start coming up into these areas again, then we really have to see how it plays out. We have to see how price reacts at this level. I have to see how price reacts at this level. Me. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Educational purposes only, guys. All right. All right. The 15 closed above. I would want to see. I'm looking at potential tap into 2387, 830. I mean, that's quite far away, isn't it? Not necessarily 10 pips. What's up, Henny Penny? A private group for signals? Nah, I don't have a private group for signals. Pato Twin, appreciate the follow. Let's go. Welcome to the TikTok. I'm back on TikTok, sweet chili. I'm unbanned on TikTok again. Thank the Lord. Preach it. Oh gosh. This is bad. This is bad. I'm analyzing everything I'm saying before I say it in my head. Lord B, no, I had one today over here. As you can see on the chart, I had a trade today. Let me open up the journal for today. Let me open up the journal. Perfect. What's up, Safel? Charlin Flink, appreciate the follow. My trade today was this trade right here, 18 pips. And you can see the numbers right here. I'm not going to say them out loud just in case TikTok doesn't like it, you know. But here's the numbers. Here's the result of today's trade. Right? And here I broke it down today for I had some, you know, had time today while I was trading, and I was walking the guys in the group through it, right? I was walking the members of the academy through it. I said if the hourly closes above, I want the next hourly to tap into 2381, 285, creating a bottom wick before the move to the upside. And it happened perfectly, played out perfectly. Taking profit here, moving stops to break even, etc. You know, beautiful. It's beautiful. The weekly target. It's 2392070. I don't want to put it on the screen, just in case. I don't know. Some people said the reason why I got banned on TikTok is because of the numbers on the screen, like to do with the chart. I don't know how true that is, but I don't want to risk it again. I'm trying to be a good boy right now. I'm trying to be a good boy, all right? Stop making me do bad things. Gilbert, appreciate the diamonds, my guy. Gilbert. Brother, hello. Can I please ask for an advice? I've had my friend account about 2 months ago. Managed to get some power straight after I get my power. I blew the account. I don't know what to do. JJ, how did you blow the account? How did you do that, JJ? All right, here comes. I'm not gonna say that actually. Oh God. 2392070. Let's see. About 30 pips away. It's been a long time, Gilbert. It's been a couple days, man. 3 days, maybe. Did I take this? Fred, yes, I did. I'm not going to read that out. I need to start reading questions out. That's what I don't know. Oh, wait. The setups always used, but last few weeks it seems not working anymore. JJ, these things happen, bro. These things happen. So it's not that it doesn't work anymore. The market goes through cycles, right? You're going to have times where you're on a, 3, 4, 5, potentially 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losing streak, right? That happens. It's happened to me. Happens to the best of traders. The thing to do is to just keep following the plan. Keep following the plan. Keep following your strategy. And just remain consistent as possible, Remain consistent as possible. All right, the 2, 3, 8, 7, 8, 30 tap, right? 2, 3, 8, 7, 8, 30. What did I say? That was what? At 9 pips away. It's not that far away. This could potentially be what we're coming up to now. Another We got the, did we get the 30 closed? Yeah, the 30 closed. I would say... Yeah, it's the tap into 2287, 830 potentially. Yeah, don't show figures. That's what causes ban. You think so? The figures? I need to stop doing that then. Click all online shop. Appreciate the follow. Sweet chili. I don't hold over the weekend. No, definitely not. Was this week a big week for news in your opinion? It was a decent week for news, Zeb. Definitely some. Obviously, we had inflation. We had PPI. We had unemployment last night as well. It was definitely a big week for news. 100%. It doesn't show figures anymore. So what do you mean by not showing figures? Are you talking about the like, for example, on the gold chart right here, the figures on the right hand side? Or are we talking about like if I was to show my journal? Just keep the screen as is, okay? The price targets? Oh, okay, the price targets. Think that's what it is? How do you keep on top of your news and know what's going on to affect the market you're in? Zeb, basically, for me, inflation, days of inflation, NFP, interest rates, that's a no trade day for me straight away. No trade day. So that's how I keep on top of it. I just make sure I'm not trading that day. That's it. Just say the targets verbally? Okay. Can you guys see the writing though? The weekly target, the previous 4-hour high, previous daily open, 12-hour break of structure. Can you see that on TikTok? Like the letters I'm talking about, not the... Okay. Because it's not letting me view it on my phone. It keeps saying I'm live on another device, so I can't see it on my phone. That's so annoying. Why can't I see it? How about now? How about now? How does that look? Maybe it's because I got a weekly target on there. Maybe. Damn, at least I'm glad it doesn't just happen. Have I ever adjusted it drastically, JJ? Not necessarily, no. There's always tweaks that you can make. There's definitely always tweaks you can make, right? But in terms of changing it drastically, you don't want to go down that route because it's just going to end up a vicious circle. Verbal, visual, sound? What do you mean, Mita? If you get banned again, you won't know why. So I think this time you should make one main change. If I get banned again, bro, I think my account is banned like indefinitely at this point because I've already got one strike. If I get another strike, I think it's done for, bro. You know what? I might just get rid of it altogether because and if you wanna see the whole chart, man, you're gonna have to come over to the red platform. What's up, Said? Amani, it gives and you know, buy and sell labels based on my strategy. Yeah, exactly, Zeb. That's why I'm just gonna leave everything off the chart at this point. I think I'm just gonna leave everything off because at this point anything can be given as a disclaimer. Yeah, that is the I have got a disclaimer at the top, Amadio. Is that what the disclaimer is? For educational purposes only, not financial advice? Maybe I should bring this down as well. Maybe put it here and just change it to white or something. What are we thinking? Is that good? All right. Thank you guys, man. I'm sorry about this. I just want to make sure it's all good, you know, for the future. Definitely not, Kai. Definitely not. What would Nevis? I'm just waiting to see now, right? I'm just waiting to see. So what we got? We got there is 30 minutes left of this hourly candle. Look how this hourly candle is closing, right? At the moment, 30 minutes left. So we're playing between the previous daily open. It's playing between the previous daily open and the previous 4-hour high. Looking at the daily at this point, of course, is still bearish, right? Daily still bearish, previous daily candle still bearish. This could be a top wick. It's a pretty steep top wick, but in terms of the time frames, they're all looking quite bullish right now. So if it's gonna make a move to the downside, I would want to see more of a push to the downside personally. it would have to come back and start closing below these levels. You know, 2384725, closing below 2381285. Your history on XAU on Friday, is it really, Jackers? Is that a thing? In ours? I'm not sure, Zeb. I'm not sure, bro. There's not a lot going on in Australia at the moment, to be honest, in this industry, so... Broncos ahead by 1, 15 seconds to go. That's an interesting theory, actually, Jackets. Interesting theory. NY Open is in 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Maybe what I'll do from now on, is go live on the Red platform first. The Red app, right? Go live on Red first. Do the analysis, you know, etc. Do everything over there first so we can just talk about things without having to feel like we're being censored. And then after 30 minutes, I'll go live on TikTok and we can kind of just chill, watch how things play out. Then end the TikTok and then talk on YouTube again, right? Just break it down on YouTube again and then end stream. Yo, Albert. Appreciate the follow on TikTok, Albert. Let's go. You tuned on YouTube first, but you prefer here? Yeah, YouTube. I mean, a lot of people prefer the TikTok, which is understandable. The boy who lives 16, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. All right, now it's flip back bullish. We've tested, it has tested 2387, 830, right? It's tested 2387. The 15 closed, the 15 rejected, closed above. So that's telling. That's very telling at this point. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, honey, what's that? Hey, biscuits. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Nine minutes left of the hourly. 9 minutes left of the hourly, guys. 9 minutes left of this hourly candle. An hourly candle closure above. See, now I'm just scared on what to say. I don't know what to say anymore. I don't. I don't know what to say anymore, guys. Can you read my mind? Don't say just draw. I'm gonna become an artist now, right? An artist. I'm not even gonna read that comment. Well, that's funny. I didn't see you yesterday. Yeah, we've been banned on TikTok IGC. We've been banned on TikTok, man. We got unbanned today. You guys saw what I had earlier, right? Like this is the let's not say that. Yes. But first of all, I'm looking for so I'm awaiting an hourly closure above. And then I want the hourly to come down and tap into back into this level 2387 830, right? And then I can't show prices, Mr. Smoke. It's against TikTok community guidelines. It is seen as a violation and my account will get banned. D Trader, appreciate the follow. Welcome to the TikTok channel. So yeah, hourly closure above. Obviously, bottom wick to be formed first of all. I want to see a bottom wick, and then I want to see it come up into top level. Personally, that's what I want to see. This is not financial advice. Nah, the boy, they eventually will, bro. I did it for a long time. I showed prices, you know, I showed the price on TradingView and stuff for a long time, and then all of a sudden, I got banned, and now everyone's saying it's because you're showing price targets, right? It's not allowed. It's a violation. Yeah, definitely, Zeb. Definitely. What do you mean, Mitesh? Are you talking about the music? The rest are unprofitable, so they let them stay. The music? What is the music? This is Silver Waves. Silver Waves by Track Tribe. Then draw your fib? What do you mean draw my fib? I don't use fibs. Why do I want a bottom wick first? You always need to see a bottom wick, right? If price is bullish, you want to see bottom wicks being formed to enable price to continue driving. If it's bearish, you want to see top wicks being formed to enable price to continue bearish. If you just have a look at all the bearish candles when price is moving down, right? All these 1 hour candles creating steep top wicks in order for them to price continue bearish, right? Look at, you know, you can see here we have a sharp bearish movement in this 1 hour candle, and then look at the next 1 hour candle. Creates a very steep top wick, 30 pips to enable it to continue driving bearish, right? So you always want to see top and bottom wicks being formed of some sort. The fact that this hourly is already driving, the hourly is already driving at this point. 30-minute closure above was nice. We got 3 minutes left for this hourly. 15 closure was nice. 15 respecting structure. 30. You see how this 30-minute candle closed above? Right, this 30-minute candle closed above. This next 30-minute candle flipped bearish, came in, tapped into that level 2387, then flipped back bullish. Pepe, I don't want to show it in case we get banned. I can't do anything when I'm live on TikTok, bro. Just in case we get banned. Maybe it's just price targets, but it's currently at 53671. 53671. You know what? Fuck it. There it is. 53671. What you mean, Tap? If you guys want to see the full chart over on TikTok, then come over to the red platform. You guys know what the red platform is. Real Tap. Exactly, Ahmad. Exactly. Same as on here, the boy. You'll find it in my TikTok profile, bro. If you go there, you'll see the red platform. Yes, Pepe, yes. The Y platform. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. Let's have a look at Euro USD. Oh, Euro USD perfectly came down to that level. Look at that. We also had the 30-minute sell entry right here. Very nice. This was analyzed today in my Telegram channel. If you guys want to run the Telegram channel, can you give us a whistle? Lindy B, appreciate the sub on the red platform. Let's go. Yeah, so these sales were analyzed in the Telegram channel today. If you guys want to come and join, link is in my TikTok profile. Yeah, Pepe. I don't trade Euro USD necessarily. I just like to analyze it for the Telegram. Break it down. From the TikTok, Lindy B, let's go. How you feeling over in the red platform? Does it feel much better or what? Better than TikTok? I like that. What's up, Umar? The precision of these levels. There you go. There's the hourly closure above. All right. Hourly closure above. Bottom wick created. All right. I want to see a bit more of a... It's only 1 minute into the hourly candle here. I want to see a bit more of a steeper bottom wick. Screen is smaller. On what? On TikTok? Here comes the tap. Yeah, Pepe, of course. Works on all pairs, bro. What's up, Adin? Appreciate all the follows in the TikTok, the likes, the diamonds. Appreciate you guys. Oh, what's up, Umar? You're the boy who lived. Very nice. Welcome to the red platform. The screen is smaller? Oh, why? Because it's more zoomed out? Is that why people don't like the red app? No, when I say the red app, I'm referring to... You know what I'm referring to. But I'm just going to call it the red app, all right? The red app. Grumpy, the indicator basically gives you know, buy and sells. Gives you the signals, right here, as you can see today during the first trading window. It gives you exact entry, stop loss, take profit levels. It gives you key levels in the market, so it will mark these key levels up for you. It gives you the trading windows. It gives you a trading plan. It teaches you consistency, discipline. It gives you everything you need to be a consistent, disciplined trader, basically. As long as you use TradingView, Grumpy, then you can use it. The spicy app. YT. Live on YT. Could this be the bottom wick? You're selling 2388. Okay. What's the reason for that, Flack? The spicy app. It's called Forex with Cody algorithm version 4. An indicator, a TradingView indicator. So where is it trying to tap into now? We've tapped into those previous 30-minute highs. That could be that bottom wick form now at this point from the hourly, right? Tapped into those previous 30-minute highs, creating that bottom wick. What is this? We've got an hour left to this 4-hour candle. About a 6-7 pip bottom wick. You're in a sell too, Mickey? We are all in the south from 238 and that's why it's going up. Stop hunts, guys. The banks are after you. Aspire King on my website, bro. Hit the link in my TikTok profile. So why are you guys looking for sales from here? Let me see. Let me see. What could be the level? What could be the level? Retest to drop even more. I also believe eventually, for the rest of this month, it can, potentially sell off. That's my analysis. Not financial advice, by the way. But yeah, it's under, like, first of all, in order to see a sell, you need to see some kind of bearish structure. Bearish levels and some bullish levels being broken, right? For example, you want to potentially see some 4-hour lows being broken, right? Right now, all the candles are bullish, right? Apart from the daily, right? You've got 12-hour, all the lower time frames right now, 8-hour, 4-hour, hourly, look, all printing bullish candles. So personally, if I was to personally look for a sell, it would be once some bearish structure has formed. Personally, not financial advice, but that's gonna have to be like, yeah, like 8-hour lows potentially, 12-hour lows potentially, you know, 4-hour lows, right? Break of 4-hour, like you want to see some kind of break of structure first of all. Break of bullish structure. Has been sorted out with TikTok. I don't know, Harry. Potentially. Potentially. We'll see. Samantha, I believe I would have been I believe I would have been out at break even at this point. Let's have a look. Yeah. I'm out that trade. Break even. Tap happened? Which tap? From the hourly perspective now, right? From the hourly, what I said was, you know, you probably want to see, you know, I want to see 2387830 potentially. Really, Umar? Like legit, you're actually a financial advisor? Exactly, Zeb, bro. They can't keep me down, man. They can't keep me down. I can't keep a brother down. Look at that. Look at the precision here on the 5-minute from this level. Look at that. These are 5-minute candles respecting this level to the absolute T. Perfection. So what is considered FA? What is considered FA, Umar? What would I have to say for it to be considered FA, financial advice? I don't even want to say the word financial advice in case they pick that up. What? Financial advice? He said the word financial advice. That means he must be giving financial advice. Ban him right now. We got him again, boys. We got him again. What's up, Tanami? I mean, guys, once you know, wait for this ban to pass a little bit, and you know, we'll be back to normal, hopefully. We'll hide all of the numbers from the screen. We've got for educational purposes only, right? We're not advertising anything on stream. We're not doing any of that. So give it some time and we'll get comfortable again on TikTok and we'll go again. All right. But right now I'm just, you know, it's still fresh. The ban is still fresh. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not, you know, not doing anything that I shouldn't be. FBI open up. But right now I'm like a little kid, just like who's just been told off by his parents, and I just don't know what to do or say. Yeah, that's a good idea, Zeb. While we're analyzing and while we're looking at the charts, I'll just stand here and just do a trendy TikTok dance, right? While I'm doing it. I've got a standing desk, so I'll put my standing desk up. You know, and while we're talking about the charts, I'll just start doing a viral TikTok trend or a viral TikTok dance, and then I'll be fine, right? As long as I'm pushing mind-numbing content, they don't give a fuck. Okay, Umar. Yeah. I mean, fair enough. US watch on TikTok. Is there anybody in the TikTok from the US? I don't think so, right? Any setups today? Yeah. Tanui, I had a nice setup earlier during the first trading window. Hourly closures above you know, the 8-hour breakup structure, the key level provided by the indicator. So you see this hourly candle just closed above right here. So this gave confirmations for the continuation. And then I had this move to the upside. Nice. I caught about 18-20 pips of the move. It actually went up about, you know, 53 or so pips in total. Oh, you're driving? Yeah, no worries. Are you driving and texting, Umar? Naughty boy. No, you pulled over to the side of the road, right? Of course you did. Wait for the tap. Wait for it to tap down before I hide them. Oh, hard. It was 4H. This one? I mean, potentially. Oh, my phone's like that. What? Huh. A little more. Tanui, I don't want to say too much, just in case, but link in my profile, bro, and you'll find it there. I mean, we're not doing anything right now, bro. We're waiting. I am not doing anything right now. I am waiting. Oh, you see what I mean? I'm bad at this shit. I'm bad at this shit, man. But TikTok, in case we get shut down again, I am live on the red platform on YT. Come through, sub up. So then if we do get shut down again, you know where to find me. Look at this. My wife just made biscuits. I just bought me a whole container full. Done for the week. Nice, Flix. Let's go. You from Cape Town? Is there any police in Cape Town or what? Alright, at this point, we've got 4-hour closures in 44 minutes. Let's have a look. 4-hour is nice. Looking nice. It's continuing bullish. At this point, I would say we're going to get another tap of 2392.070. That would be my guess. But first of all, I want to see a tap. 2387.830. You know what I could do? I could just, while I'm doing analysis, while I'm talking about, you know, gold, I can mute the TikTok. The YouTube can still hear it. Oh shit, I just said YouTube. The YT, the red app can still hear it, but the TikTok can't. They got me again. They got me again. Yo, welcome, Grumpy. Welcome, bro. Make sure you go through the manual. make sure you go through the manual. That's going to give you everything you need to get up to date with the V4. And yeah, man, I'll see you in the Discord. Police in K-Town probably text you to stop texting. Should use Twitch instead. Well, it's either gonna have to be Twitch or YouTube, right? Oh fuck, I've just said both of them now. It's either gonna have to be the purple or the red, right? Because I'm already, you know, streaming on red full screen, whereas the TikTok is more for, it's the smaller screen. It gets a lot of traffic. It's to get people through onto the YouTube channel. The Twitch would be dead. Like, you wouldn't get hardly any traffic on Twitch. I've just said Twitch about 500 times. Here we go. Are you ready? Why did you get banned? Could have been a lot of things. I actually don't know. They didn't give me a specific reason why I did get banned. So I genuinely don't know. Didn't I mention in YouTube? Yeah, I don't know if they do, but now I'm just paranoid because I have watched some streamers on TikTok before, and a few of them, or like if they're streaming on another platform at the same time, they won't say it, right? A lot of them say streaming on the red platform or the purple platform, which is Twitch. So that's why I'm thinking maybe they picked that up. I don't know. I just don't know, bro. I don't know, man. Genuinely, if they would have given me a reason as to why I got banned, an actual reason, then that would have been good. But it just said violation, community guidelines, blah 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 blah. Like, I don't know. Open a backup account? Yeah, a lot of people have been saying that. Do you guys think I should open a backup account? Make some analysis, mute TikTok. All right, I'm gonna mute the TikTok. If you guys want some analysis, if you want to know my thoughts on what is going on Xauusd right now, come over to the red app. I'm going to mute TikTok for a second. All right, the TikTok is muted. I can finally speak, man. Holy shit. Oh my God. All right, I feel like I've just been set free from jail or some shit. But anyway, what is currently going on? I've been like trying to like, let me just close Telegram for a minute. I've got a video editor messaging me. So look, just heaps of people have just dropped out the TikTok channel right now. Are they all coming to YouTube? Let's see. So what is happening right now? What I'm looking for, right? At any minute now, the daily can flip bearish, potentially, right? Because look, previous daily candle is bearish. We haven't broke structure at this point. Haven't broke structure. The current daily candle has made a higher low and it's now pushing up. And I think we're going to come into, at this point, I would be very surprised if we don't see 239270 again. Let's have a look. 8-hour closures, and we got 8-hour closures in 38 minutes. So we got 4-hour, 8-hour closures in about 40 minutes. And what I want to see now is price. We definitely want to see price close above 2386.130 if price is going to continue bullish, right? Not necessarily too worried about the previous 4-hour high at 2387.830. Not too worried about that if price doesn't close below there. But I definitely want to see price close above 2386.130 here on the 4-hour, 8-hour time frame for sure, right? So we got 40 minutes or 37 minutes left, and if price starts really selling off and coming back down into this area, which it definitely could do at this point, then that could be interesting. So we definitely want to see that. So we got 37 minutes for 4-hour closures, At this point, the hourly is coming down. We still haven't tapped into 2387830. I think that's going to be the next step, tapping into here. And I definitely want to see that tap. And that is why we're not getting the push, right? As you can see, price is struggling to push bullish at this point because it's just not tapping into 2387. Yo, TikTok, I know there's no voice. Yeah, I know there's no voice, but I'm doing the analysis on YouTube. I've just said it. Can't really talk much on TikTok right now because of the ban. So if you want to hear it, come over to YouTube. Everyone's just spamming the TikTok chat. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. So yeah, I definitely want to tap in here first. We've still got 37 minutes, and that's the reason why price is struggling to push bullish at the moment, because we haven't tapped into this level. It definitely wants to come and tap into it. It has to, if it wants to find that. If it wants to find that liquidity, that volume again, we need to tap into 2387.830. And then depending on how it reacts around there, if we stay bearish for the hourly, you definitely want to see the hourly close above this. You know, obviously that would be the 8-hour, 4-hour closure as well then in 36 minutes. So at this point, I'm just waiting for a tap into here. I think then you can get that push into 2392070. We just gotta wait and see. Check the lower time frames, right? See how price reacts around this level. We can see previous reaction in here from the 5-minute. Very nice reaction. We can look for something similar here now on the 5, right? If we come into this area. But that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for a tap. We need tap for confirmation that price is going to stay above this level. It's rejecting it. It's pushing back. All right. So that's what I'm thinking right now. So we got 35 minutes left. The hourly. We definitely, and like I said, look for a 4-hour closure above 2386.130. We definitely want to stay above this level. That's going to give us then confirmation that we can continue bullish, right, during the rest of New York session. Right, it's flipping back bullish again. All right, let's unmute the TikTok. All right, TikTok, I'm back. I know you can't hear, man. I know you can't hear. I was just doing some analysis, right? If you want to hear the analysis, you're going to have to come over to the Red app. But I know you guys can't hear me. Vibes, appreciate the follow. See comments? Yeah, I know. Thank you for trying, Miss H. Thank you for trying. But yeah. Let's see. Let's see if we get that tap. Let's see if we get that tap. We've got 30-minute closures here in 3 minutes. 30-minute time frame, right? Look, the 30-minute creating the bullish structure, right? From the lower time frames up to the higher time frames right now, apart from the daily, creating that bullish structure. The weekly, bullish, right? The monthly, bullish, right? Every time frame apart from the daily at this point. So, but even though previous daily candle closed bearish, guess what? It's still creating bullish structure. It still created a higher high and a higher low, right? So every chance it could continue at this point. We just need the validation. We need that validation from the 4H. I would say at this point, I think the this hourly is going to close bearish, which would then open up for the 4-hour time frame, right? The 4-hour candle to then come down and tap in to 2386 130. You'd allow the 4-hour candle to come down, create that bottom wick before it potentially continues driving again. At this point, I'm still seeing 2392070. I'm still seeing it, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Five-minute bearish, yeah, but Mitesh, the 5-minute for me is more of an entry time frame, not an analysis time frame, right? Your analysis time frames want to be higher time frames: 4-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour, daily, weekly, monthly. Anything below the 4-hour, I would consider to be a entry time frame, not an analysis time frame. Consolidation. Yeah, 15 minutes consolidating a little bit. But again, if you look what happened earlier, right? We had consolidation and then we had the continuation, right? So you could get it again. You could get the consolidation, then the continuation. Price likes to play out like it has in the past. It likes to, go through the same cycles, go through the same patterns. But the hourly, it's got 30 minutes left still. It needs to do something at this point, right? It needs to do something. Hourly hasn't really done anything yet. It's kind of just floating, between entry and bearish. Previous 30-minute lows there. Previous hourly lows down in here. We've broken, retested. Previous daily open. I'm just waiting to see what this candle does now. It's not doing anything. It's not really doing anything, right? Did it tap in yet? Almost. It almost tapped in. There's the 30-minute closure. The 30-minute close bearish. So now what we can see is price coming up, creating a top wick, and then we could get that deeper test of 2387830 potentially. Then it could test 2387830. You're good. Needs to do something. It needs to do something at this point. Will we get the tap into 2392070? Will we get it? Still hasn't tapped in on the hourly. I would still very much like that tap into 2387830 first on the hourly. Jay, 2387830. The fact that we haven't tapped it yet is why we're seeing consolidation. If price just taps that level, it's going to pick up some volume, trust me. Doesn't tap it now, then we got it's, you know, there's a good chance we'll see it later on. Potentially, Jay. First of all, the first step, all I want to see right now, not talking about anything else, all I want to see, first of all, is a tap into 2387 that's it. And then we'll go from there. Then I'll go from there. Not financial advice. We're definitely getting censored though. The TikTok hasn't hit over, I don't think it's gone over 100 views yet. We smash that straight away. So we're definitely shadow banned, or we're getting censored right now. But I appreciate all you guys being here, man. Thank you for all the follows, the subs, the likes, the diamonds. Appreciate you guys. How's the weather? The weather's fucking cold, man. Cold. Cold as shit. I don't like it. Don't like it at all, man. GB, appreciate the sub, man. Welcome, welcome. We have a legend in the Red app, in the YouTube chat. It's warm in London. That's a first. Abu, appreciate the follow on TikTok, man. Welcome, welcome. We're all on here, not TikTok. Yeah. We need all you guys to come over to TikTok, man. You know? We need all you guys to come over to TikTok. Here we go. Here is the tap. This level being respected right now. It's forming a resistance here. Now comes the tap of 2387.830. Now, do we stay above? Right? I'm not too in terms of the 4-hour time frame. I'm not worried about this level. You can close below here. I'm not worried. But the 4-hour, I definitely want the 4-hour to close above here. If I want it to continue bullish, right? Where, Jack, is? You talking about Australia? Or are you talking about UK? Is there news today? No, there's no news today. Nah, there's no news. All right, here we go. There's the tap. Finally. There's the tap of 2387.830. Now let's see how price reacts at this level. What do you guys think is going to happen from here? What do you guys think? YouTube, what do you guys think? waterfall. Short, sell, bull, bullish. EDK, appreciate the diamonds. Let's go. $85. Bounce. Now volume. Bullish, bull, bullish. Selling. Long, short. To the moon. To the moon. Alright, so we got a minute 30 until this 5 minute closes. Minute 30. What do I think? I think I'm just waiting for this 5. If the 5 closes below, you can see the 5 struggled over here to close below. Then obviously the next level down coming into is 2386 First of all, if your 5 minute closes below, you want to sit, you know, how can I put that? It's not financial advice. This 5 minute closes below. The next 5 minute could potentially tap into 2387, 830, and then it could continue down into 2386 How do I say that without? All right, so we're getting the 5 below. We're getting a 5 below. 5 minute candle come up. Tap into 2387, 830. I can't say it will continue going down because that is advice, isn't it? I think it could continue down. If it taps into 2387, 830, there we go. Then I believe it I think it can continue down. Or should I say, once it taps into 2387, 830 and rejects and then flips bearish and starts breaking these previous 5 minute lows, then there's a chance it can continue bearish. This 5 minute candle though has no top wick right here. So we could see quite an extensive pullback because of this 5 minute candle. Bum 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 bum. To be honest, I don't think it's what I'm saying. I think it was because, yeah, maybe I had price targets or something on the chart. I mean, I think that's maybe why I got banned or something. I don't know. I don't think it's necessarily what I'm saying. What's up, man? Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. What does no top wick mean? It just means that if this 5 minute candle has no top wick, there's a good chance price is going to come back to this level. Or try to anyway. because you very rarely see candles without top or bottom wicks, even if it's small top or bottom wicks, right? So the fact that this has no top wick could be where price is heading to right now. Price action, yeah, price action, man. Price action. What's up, Jackass? Come over to the YouTube channel. Let's go. Someone eating the wick. Somebody ate that 5-minute top wick. All right. Now look, we got a 15-minute closure in 1 minute 50. Look how this 15 is forming. We've broke the lows and we've broke the highs at this point. I mean, this is kind of really hard to analyze, right? Kind of hard to analyze when price is doing this. There's not really much I can do, you know, at this point until I see a specific movement, a break of a certain key level. We've definitely had that tap now, right? Look what I said in terms of the hourly. Remember what I said in terms of the hourly? Once we get a tap of 2387830, that's when you're going to find the volume to continue bullish, right? And now look what's happened. It finally came down and tapped 2387830. Now look. Now here's the volume. So that's why the taps into these levels is important. Because now you're seeing the volume in the market, right? Before it didn't have volume. Now prices come down and tapped into 2387830 as mentioned earlier. Boom. Now it's pushing bullish. Now it's picked up the volume. That's why I wanted to tap into that area. And that's what I was waiting for. Look at that 5-minute. And like I said, the fact that this 5-minute candle had no top wick is a bit of an indicator that we could come back up into these areas to test that. 15 closed above that range now. Thanks for the tap in area explanation. Yeah, no worries. I mean, Alec, the hourly closes in 15 minutes. So this next 15-minute candle at this point, you want to see it come back and tap into here. I would definitely want to see a tap just back into this range where it was consolidating and then a drive. Let's see if it gives it. But I mean, this last 15 could easily just start driving now. The 5 has no bottom wick. This one, yeah, it has a slight bottom wick. You can see a slight bottom wick here. You can see no bottom wick on this one. Sorry, no top wick on this one. But this one has a slight bottom wick. I tap into this area. Can it give it? Can it give the tap? There we go. We got the tap. Very nice. Now this last 15 is key, right? Now we've tapped in. 15 minutes tapped in. Now it gives it the confirmation to start driving, if it does, right? And you want to see a break of the current highs. But now it's picked up the volume. Now it's confirmed the move to the upside, right? $2392070. Can we get the tap? Now we broke 15-minute highs. Very nice. We've already made the bottom wick. We broke 15 highs. Yo, Jam, appreciate the follow, man. Appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. The only thing right now is the fact that we've got 4-hour closures in 12 minutes. So you really want to see that tap now, right? You want to see that tap into 2392070 now within the next few minutes. And then that gives it a nice range to start rejecting and leave a 4-hour top rejection wick. 1 second, guys. Yeah, there we go. There's the tap into 2392070. Now we need to figure out, right? We just take it step by step again, right? First of all, we took it step by step. We waited for an hourly tap into 2387830. We got that. That then validated the move to the upside. Then we waited for the 15. Now that the 15 closed above, we waited for the 15 tap down into this area. 2390170. That validated the continuation up. Now we're on to the next step. Now we want to see, okay, how does this level hold, right? And if you're looking on the 4-hour time frame, does the 4-hour close above here now? Or in the next 10 minutes, does it come down and reject, which leaves a nice top wick for the 4-hour candle, which would enable it to continue bullish at some point, right? Because you want to see, if you're looking at 4-hour bullish candles, look at this one, look at this one. Oh, I didn't mean to click that. But I would think that this 4-hour candle is going to reject this level momentarily. It doesn't mean it's going to flip bearish or there's going to be sells, but I would anticipate that the 4-hour candle rejects this level, which would leave a nice rejection wick for the 4-hour candle, right? But if you're looking at these bullish candles, look, you want them, they all have top wicks, right? They all have top rejection wicks. It gives price a nice range to move in, right? This one, and this one, right? All have, even though they close bullish, they all have top wicks, right? Some kind of rejection wick. So I imagine that's what the 4-hour candle is going to do now at this level. It's going to leave some sort of wick, right, for this 4-hour closure, which is closing in 9 minutes. Also an 8-hour closure as well. So you explained so good, my guy. Appreciate you, Riz. Appreciate you, man. Mr. Papa, appreciate the follow. Is TP 2394 realistic? 2394. I mean, yeah, potentially, Khalid. Potentially. You definitely see that today, for sure. You just need to see. I'm just waiting to see how this 4-hour candle closes. Jakababa, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Only positive figures today? What do you mean, Alec? Only positive figures. Owl is pushing. 8 minutes still. Let's see. Where's that next tap coming into? Where's that next tap coming into? Over here, maybe? Be over here. Could be that. The daily look like. The daily's there. Yeah, there's a couple levels it could be coming to tap into. Could be this one. Could be this one. Could be, what's this one? Could be that one. Could be any of these levels that we're tapping into now. Doesn't mean, it's going to sell off from here, but it could be tapping these levels. But from the 4-hour perspective, we've got 8 minutes left. Like I said, I'm expecting some kind of rejection wick to be formed here on the 4-hour candle. KB, appreciate the follow. on TikTok. Gold is crazy. I mean, not necessarily. No, this is how gold is, man. You know, I had buys today on gold, played out beautifully over here. You know, we analyzed this whole move to the upside basically. It's very simple once you break it down. Once you have the education to just break it down step by step. What books were you reading before trading or while trading? Books? I've read a few books to do with trading, but none of them are necessarily, I don't think they're that beneficial to be honest. There's some good information and, you know, there's some good reads, but YouTube just froze, did it? Is the YouTube froze? Is YouTube still here? You guys hear me on YouTube okay? You think we're going to push above this 4 hour OB? I have no idea, Clark. I have no idea if there's a 4 hour OB. I know that there's these levels here. We got weekly, you know, previous weekly highs, which was my weekly target. It's cool now. So it did freeze. Damn, son. Push past 2-4 tonight. 2-4. Yeah, it can do, potentially. Like I said, I'm anticipating this 4 hour candle to close in 5 minutes with a bit of a rejection. A bit of a rejection week. Not massively. I'm not saying, you know, it's going to reject and sell off. But I'm anticipating it to close potentially below 2392070. But if not, you know, it's left a pretty decent rejection week at this point. You got no losses today, Ali? Nice, man. How did you learn price action? I just learnt it myself pretty much. Who asked that? Madge. Just came from hours and hours just staring at the charts, man. From hours and hours just staring at the charts. Guys, I wouldn't be looking at any kind of sales right now. Not financial advice, but I wouldn't be looking at any sales right now. Like I said, the first step, don't get too ahead of yourself, right? The first step is waiting for this 4 hour closure, right? In 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That is the first step. It's your 3rd month into trading. Nice, bro. How's it going so far? Look, guys, if you have a look to the left, right? When price last came up into this area right here. Once it tapped in, you saw a bullish move up, right? A very strong, nice bullish move up. Similar to what is currently happening here. All bullish candles, right? And then once price tapped in, you then had a 4 hour bearish closure, right? So even if you do want to take sales from here, right? You have to wait for bearish closures on a key time frame. For example, the 4 hour, right? Because look at this 4 hour closure. Once you got the 4 hour closure here and a closure back below 2392070, you then had the sell-off below those 4 hour lows, right? Once it broke and you had a 150 pips sell-off, right? So before you take any sales, you need to see confirmation first, right? Because the way things are going right now, price could just close above here and just continue bullish, right? It could very easily happen. So you need to wait. You need to await these sell confirmations at this point. It's just how it is. Really, Griezmann? Made a lot trading with me? Damn, son. All right. The 4 hour's pushing here. The 4 hour is pushing. What is this level? There's the 8. The 8 is there. The 12 is a little bit further up. We'll go with the 8 first of all. Go with the 8. 12 is here. That's what that was currently wicking off. Yeah, like I said, I want to see. We got a minute 24 left to this 4 hour closure. I want to see a nice rejection wick on this 4 hour candle. This current one that's happening. I want to see a rejection wick. Appreciate that, Ben. Appreciate that, man. Thank you guys for all the kind messages, man. I think he broke the pattern. Gonna see some short. Started improving my patience a lot more since watching your streams. 2 winning trades today on gold and 1 on Euro USD. Thank you for your education. Appreciate you, third pupil, man. I love that. Thank you for the kind words, man. I'm glad you're finding something from you know, from the streams. Appreciate that. I love hearing these messages, guys. It means that, you know, it means that my intentions are good, and my intentions are, you know, my intentions of helping people as much as I can are actually, you know, beneficial. You guys are actually getting something from this. It's not financial advice, by the way. It's just, you know, a nice little chat with some other people around the world that are into the same thing. All right, there we go. We closed above 2392070. Last time we closed above 2392070, what happened? Price spiked in. So first of all, it flipped bullish, right? Spiked into 2395900, and then we saw a sell-off. Are we gonna see similar right here? What do you guys think? You're going to be blessed twice, bro. Appreciate you, man. You too as well, Grumpy, man. You guys. What's up, crypto, man? What's up, crypto, man? The fact that this has pushed bullish straight away, right? With the second this 4 hour candle opened up, it pushed bullish. I'm saying it's going to tap into 2395900. What was that other level? 235,900, and then we can see a bottom wick being formed down into 2392070. What was this other level? All right, so tap into 2395900. Tap in. Do it now. All right, there we go. We tapped in. We tapped into 239,900. Let's see. We might get a spike out. You know, if we're looking at this previous candle right here, we get a spike out at this level. But now I'm anticipating price eventually. I mean, it might not happen straight away, but I think we can get. Obviously, price has to come down and now create a 4 hour bottom wick, right? So now we can see 2392070. Potentially. Not financial advice. Biggest lesson I've learned. I would stay, but I don't want to be tempted to trade, especially because yesterday was a big loss. Cheers. No worries, Alec. What happened yesterday, bro? Biggest lesson I've learned quickly in trading is that you can easily stare at chart all day and still not find anything. That's the game. Yeah, exactly, third people. Exactly, bro. This is why with my indicator, I have put in the trading windows. So these two windows right here, so that me and, you know, the community, we know exactly when to come to the charts, right? We know exactly when to come to the charts and look for a setup. And if you don't get a setup within these windows, then that's it. You don't come to the charts during here. You don't come to the charts during here. Only during the two trading windows. That builds consistency, that builds a routine, that builds confidence, that builds discipline, right? Builds a lot. So that's specifically why I added these trading windows to the indicator. And that's, you know, a lot of people have found using the trading windows are very beneficial. All right, we're tapped into that top wick. We've spiked out. We've created a new high now. Let me just, again, see over to the left what's going on here. Tapping in here. We've now broke structure, right? We've now broke previous daily highs. That's that previous daily high structure right there. All right, so this is where we could see a wick off at this point. I definitely want to see the 4-hour create. I definitely want to see the 4-hour create a bottom wick at this point, down into 2392070. Wish you left your gold buy open. Why did you close it? Bro, what's happening? It not tapping in, but fly only. What? What do you mean? The fact that the 4-hour has opened up at this point and spiked up straight away within the first 5 minutes, hasn't created a bottom wick. We're spiking into previous daily highs. Yeah. I'm still seeing a tap into 2392070 first of all. News happened? There wasn't any news, was there? There is no news. Yo, GIF TK, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. No bottom wick? Yeah, that's what we're waiting for. Look at that. That was an 8-hour buy signal from the indicator. 44 pips. Instant 44 pip profit right there. No, I haven't in Melbourne yet, Amadeo. What's this? That's also this level to the left. These wicks. We're tapping into the areas right now. We're tapping in. So listen, by no means am I saying, you know, anticipating sales here. I'm not. I'm just wanting to see a tap into 2392070. It has to. I mean, it doesn't have to, but, you know, there's a very, very good chance that it will. At this point. Any plans to do it? Maybe. That's a whole lot of work that would need to be planned. And if I'm going to be doing that, then I need to put together a team, you know? I need to put together a team if I'm going to be doing boot camps and stuff. But yeah, who knows, man? Maybe in the future. Maybe in the future we'll do it. Who would be interested in that in Melbourne or in Australia? Who would be interested? Toby, you rate the content. Alright, so this is previous daily highs. Let's just mark that on so we know what this is. We've got a spike out of them. That's also a break of structure. So previous daily high, break of structure. Right? It's not a break of structure because it's a continuation actually. So it's the candle closed bearish. So really it's a spike out to continue bullish. But the 4-hour did close 4-hour did close above this level right now. So it also closed above the previous daily open. You have a look right here. Previous daily open. I mean, from the daily time frame, right, it all looks good. Daily looks bullish. 12-hour looks very good. Looks bullish. What is this? Previous 4-hour high. It's also the previous 12-hour high. 8-hour looks bullish again, but the 8-hour, the 4-hour does not have bottom wick. So no matter how much this drives up, this could start driving up, you know, all the way in here, right? It could start driving up. But I think eventually over the course of this next 4 hours, it's going to have to come back into here at some point, I believe. In my opinion. Where's my TP? What do you mean my TP? I'm not in a trade. When does the market close Oz time? It will close late tonight, bro. Like 5 AM maybe? Let's have a look on the daily. How long's left? 8 hours away. Yeah, about 6, 7 AM. Something like that. You guys remember this hourly, right? This hourly candle right here didn't spike into this level that I wanted to until the last like 10 minutes of the hourly candle. It spiked in and then flipped back bullish and started pushing up all the way bullish until in the last 10 minutes of this hourly candle, right? So this 4 hour, if you think about it, this 4 hour could play out the exact same way. It could push bullish, and then in the last hourly of this 4 hour candle, you could see you could see it just spike down and tap into this level real quick before, you know, flipping back bullish or something. The same thing's can happen. You know, it's all price action. It's all the same through the time frames. No matter if it's the daily, the 4 hour, the hourly. It just means it's going to take longer to play out. But right now, it's just smashing through all levels, right? It's spiking out heavily. And if you have a look over to the left at the daily, look at these rejection wicks, right? Price can come all the way up into these levels right here. What's up, Jack? You from Thailand? Let's go. Thailand in the house. But you know, I'm still my bias is still bullish. But first of all, I'm not saying I'm looking for sales from this level or anything, but my bias is still bullish. I would just prefer taps into this level before it continues bullish. That's all. But that 8 hour buy signal from the indicator, look at that. 70 pips. Bow, bow, bow. $70 pips. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna head out. Man. It was a pleasure to be back on the TikTok finally. Thank you for all the likes, the comments, the follows, the views, the diamonds. Appreciate you guys. I would still anticipate price to come back down into 2392.070 at some point during this 4 hour candle or even the 8 hour candle, right? It could take a while to come through at this point. Price is spiking up, no bottom wick, it's just driving. It's broke the previous daily highs. And at this point, what we got? We got this level in here. We got, I mean, it's completely drove from there. I mean, yeah. I mean, there's not really much we can go off at this point. Apart from this. and this. All right. Next levels are in. So I mean, like I said, I definitely want to see that touch of 2392.070. Still, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm off, guys. I'm out of here, man. I will see you guys on Monday. We're back to the normal schedule on Monday. We're back on TikTok again. We've got the YouTube up and running. We'll be back on the normal schedule on Monday to Friday, and hopefully we're good on TikTok this time, man. Hopefully, you know, we've sorted it all out. We've got some disclaimers on here. We're hiding all of the price, no targets on the screen, and we'll see what happens. All right. We'll see what happens. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for showing up again today. And I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. Don't over trade. We've got like what, 9 hours left, 8 hours left of the rest of this weekly. So take it nice and chill, man. Sit back, go outside, get some fresh air, get some sunshine, and I'll see you guys on Monday. All right. Peace out, YouTube. Appreciate you guys, man. You guys showed up today, man. Even though the TikTok was down, you guys showed up on the YouTube. Appreciate you guys. You're up 87 pips on a buy signal now. Which buy signal was it? Which buy signal was it? 5 minute? I'm guessing it was this one right here, Seal. Am I right? See? I know these signals even though they're not showing. That's how you know legit. This indicator is crazy. Let's turn it on. Let's see the actual signal. There it is. There's the buy signal from the indicator. Stops would have been here, 28 pip stops ish, 30 pip stops. You're like a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio right now, bro. Saves my day. You're still holding? Where are you holding to? You've hit like 100 pips at this point. I'd be taking some profits still because, like I said, look at this 4-hour time frame, man. The 4-hour candle has no bottom wick. At any minute, this could just reject. 2406, 2406. You're holding to up here. All right. Good luck, man. Let me know how it goes, brother. Yeah, this is a good start, Seal. That's 100 pips, bro. That's a 100 pip move right there. That's a good start, man. It's gonna have to start coming into these levels and start retesting these levels now if it's gonna continue bullish. First of all, this one, then this one. We got previous daily highs. I think price is definitely gonna have to come into here, right? First of all, 2397.515. Wait, 2406. I mean, yeah, it could at this point. It could at this point. Seal could just keep pumping when it's on a move like this. But yeah, let me know. Let me know how it goes in the Discord, bro. Let me know how it goes, bro. Who's playing Apex? Who's this playing Apex? Who's playing Apex in the academy? Oh, who's Omar? Is that Omar? You and Jedi saved my day, bro. You might get it 2406 pumping right now. I mean, this indicator always gives you a way into the charts somehow, man. Some way or another. Always enables you to capture some kind of move like this. Also had an 8-hour signal as well. Seal. Look at this 8-hour buy signal. Damn, Seal. Yo, chill out, bro. I'll be typing that shit, my guy. Crazy, brother. You're crazy, broski. At this point, man, yeah, like the next level. Yeah, it's gotta be here, right? Those partials, good, bro, good. Pretty much tapped in to two, like, what do you get? 2405, 2. I mean, you pretty much tapped in there, bro. What's up, Sam? What's happening, bro? You gonna try turning to even stop loss now? Good, Sam, bro. How are you? Good, nice, bro, nice. Yeah, good, man. Six. All right. Shit, MT5 stats? What do you mean? Oh, fucking eyes, man. I need to get some blue light glasses or some shit, man. Like, my eyes get fucked when I do these streams. Love Friday nights. You gotta love the Friday push, man. You gotta love the Friday push. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out. I ended the TikTok stream like 10 minutes ago. I'm still here. 30k profit and 14k loss since the 14th of this month. 14th of this month. Wait, what? What, 3 days ago? So what, is that about a 15k profit or what? Is it a 16k profit? Yeah. Nice, man. That's crazy, bro. Bro just hopped on gold and just thought, fuck it, man. Let's just smash gold. Okay, right now, a bit over leverage on this one. Jesus. Nice, Seal. Nice, bro. Good end to the week now. Just close the charts, brother. Close the charts. 104 pips. Jeez, bro. Post it in the Discord, man. I want to see it. Let everyone see that shit, bro. Alright, man. I'm going to head off, guys. I'll be back live on Monday. 110% account gain in the last 2 weeks is insane, bro. Insane, Seal. You're going to be like the poster boy for my indicator, man. You're going to be like, you're going to be the guy who's the main person in my adverts for the indicator. This is Seal. Over the last 2 weeks, he has made 110% account gain using the Forex with Cody Algo version 4 indicator. Seal, tell us a bit about yourself. Wow, you know, I found this guy on YouTube and I can feel it. Seal's just going crazy, bro. Like, I mean, Sam, you don't sound like you need to, bro. You don't sound like you need to. Making what? 14k profit in 3 days is pretty insane in itself, bro. To be honest. I was just about to open up. Oh yeah, I opened up the wrong thing. Just walked in from Crypto World. Like, my stats, right? 192% account gain since the start of the year, bro. Since the start of the year. Seal's almost done that in 2 weeks. You're guessing? Oh, you're doing pretty well for guessing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the last month has been just, yeah, heavily pumping. Your account is smaller, so that makes it even better still. Makes it even better, doesn't it? For you. Yeah. 14 trades so far for May, 78% win rate. $60 trades. What the fuck? Bro, I've took 66 trades the whole year. And you're on 60 trades in 3 days, bro. What the fuck? Are you just literally sitting there just going, all prices pushing up, buy. All prices going down, sell. Need a good sleep now? Still, yeah, me too, bro. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off, man. I'm gonna head off. I'm tired. But yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. All right, see you guys Monday, and I'll talk to you in the Discord seal. Oh, you posted already? I know you didn't. Wait, did you? Said there was something there, but it hasn't uploaded. All right, see you guys there, man.